Hello. Is this always correct, yeah?
24. It's here. If you need a code, call him.
I have to just take picture.
So put on the trolley and make a picture.
Okay.
With Gina.
Are you with Gina?
Gina.
Can I grab my...
Yeah,
Thank you
sure.
very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
With Gina.
Gina.
Yeah, he know you, I think.
Yeah, customers knows.
Yeah. Are you from Moldova?
No, from Lithuania.
Lithuania? You speak Russian, I think, yeah?
Not really, not anymore. I'm younger.
Anymore?
Younger generations don't like.
New generation don't speak
So
Russian,
they're
yeah?
separated. We don't want nothing to do with Russian.
I
Very
know.
bad thing.
But I have a lot of friends, they speak Russian, I don't know.
Because the elder generations, we used to be Soviet Union and only Russian TV.
I think too much Russian people in
No,
your
it's
country.
not.
No?
It's just Russian TV channels, movies. We
Yeah.
wasn't allowed to see what we didn't have access to UK TV, music, nothing. It was banned. Terrible,
No, in the TV, now it's speaking in Russian language, yeah?
Yeah. So this is how people learn it.
Yeah.
Because there's no choice, you want to watch movie, something.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.